3, 2, 1.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to vlog number 5. We are starting renovations on the house. That window's open because I'm pulling all of this out and throwing it in the dumpster outside. And let's get to this. It really is a beautiful night out tonight, guys. Wish you could see it. Back inside. Hey guys, so there's a lot going on right now. We are starting renovations on the house, and the Florida trip, it's currently the weekend. The Florida trip is next weekend. I go on Sunday, March 13th, and so this is kind of like a mini intervene vlog in between the last vlog and the next upcoming vlogs. So as you just saw, we're starting renovation, and there's some secret news that will be announced on this channel at the end of the school year, because I don't want it on the channel quite yet until I'm out of school. So that's stay tuned for that. But yeah, so sadly we're gonna have to discontinue the retrieval video. It's gone. It's not coming back. I'm gonna have to order a new magnet. But this giveaway is still on. So once we hit 500, which I have a good feeling we'll hit 500 subscribers after this Florida trip. And when we do, 3 of you lucky subscribers will win a magnet fishing magnet to go and explore the outdoors and go magnet fishing with. These first few giveaways will be to allow people to go outside and explore the outdoors. They're basically Explore the Outdoors promotion giveaways to inspire new people to go outdoors and try new things outdoors. But so yeah, the giveaway is still on for any of those that were wondering. And speaking of the Florida trip is from Sunday the 13th of March till the 18th of March. So Sunday till the next Sunday is this trip. And every single day there will be a vlog for this Florida trip. It won't be like all one vlog. It will be a vlog for each day of the Florida trip. So that's like 8 new vlogs all in a row simultaneously. And I have a feeling it's going to attract a lot of new guys. So if we're going to get this giveaway on the road, just remember the next giveaway after this is an inflatable raft. So we can get people out in the water. There's a theme here. It's outdoors and it's water-based so far. So yeah, that's the second giveaway. So once we get to 500, get this first giveaway done and over with, you have 3 lucky winners get your giveaway. Then we get to this next giveaway, and only one will win, but it's a bigger giveaway and it's more expensive and everything. And I know you guys can do it. I know you guys can get me there, get this channel there. And yeah, the secret thing that this channel will be seeing a lot of, and it's kind of permanent after it's happens, is coming up soon. I'll be announcing that I'll make the video now, but you won't see it uploaded until June 8th. So stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, this Florida trip is going to be exciting. It's going to be something unique. It's going to be my first ever actual trip out of a state that's not like one state away, like Maryland or whatnot. This is actually like a 5-state away trip. So this is my first actual trip that I'm actually having to take an airplane for. And so this whole trip will be recorded, memorized for YouTube, for you guys to watch, and for future people to watch. So yeah, that's really all I have to say right now. This video will probably carry in tomorrow when a lot of the major demolition and stuff starts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this vlog. It's a very short vlog. Like I said, it's just an intervene between the magnet fishing retrieval video and this next coming up week's adventure. Several adventures. A little sneak peek of what the Florida trip involves. Obviously there'll be some beach stuff. We'll be going to the beach. We'll go swimming. We are taking a swamp boat tour of a swamp, on a swamp boat, like one of those big fan boats. We will be going to an expensive restaurant to try gator bites, so gator meat. So that's new for me. I forget some of the other stuff, but there's a lot of fun. There's a lot of fun planned. So yeah, stay tuned.
Tomorrow.
Look at this. So this was all done yesterday. All of this was torn down from yesterday. Today is Sunday, so this was all done on Saturday. And so all this stuff is torn. And me and my dad carried all this stuff in last night. This is like, I think it's called like sheetrock. And this is for walling. And so it was a hard thing to move in here. And then there's this plywood. This like 1.5 inch thick plywood was the lightest. This is 3.5 inch plywood was even heavier than this. But at least it was 2. And so there's a guy coming today to put all this stuff together and everything. And yeah, you guys won't know what this room is turning into until you see the video that's going to be uploaded on June 8th. But, I mean, this is pretty much the end of the video, because I can't record the guy that's working. He asked not to be recorded, so I can't record him. And there's really nothing else to record today. So, I'm going to end it, guys, here. I'm going to end it here. Catch you guys in the next one, which, the next vlog will be all 8 or 9 Florida vlogs. So, stay tuned.